Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Elite School and Montessori (ESM), the first real Montessori in Jhelum, which is affiliated by Pakistan Montessori Council, Islamabad. Every day here is a new opportunity for children to learn, explore, and grow. At our Montessori environment, learning is not forced. It is naturally inspired through hands-on activities and carefully prepared material. क्योंकि हम यकीन रखते हैं कि हर बच्चा मुनफरिद है और हर बच्चे की सीखने की रफ्तार और सलाहियत मुख्तलिफ होती है. That's why we focus on developing independence, confidence, creativity, and a love for learning. From practical life activities to sensorial exploration, from language development to mathematical understanding, every activity has a purpose. यहाँ बच्चे सिर्फ किताबों से नहीं सीखते, बल्कि अपने हाथों, अपने तजुर्बात और अपनी दरियाफ्तों के ज़रिए इल्म हासिल करते हैं. Our classrooms are designed to encourage curiosity, concentration, and self-discipline. Every smile, every achievement, and every small step forward is a moment we celebrate. हमारी कोशिश है कि बच्चों को ऐसा माहौल फराहम किया जाए जहां वो खुद पर यकीन करना सीखें और मुस्तकबिल के लिए मजबूत बुनियाद हासिल करें. Thank you for being a part of our journey. Together, we are nurturing confident, capable, and compassionate learners. Again, welcome to Elite School and Montessori, where learning becomes a joyful adventure. Because small hands, big dreams, and endless possibilities. This is the Montessori way. Thank you for watching the video. Please follow and share it. Allah Hafiz.